Hello, let's check Marco's account. Okay, so let's go here to the Google Classroom and click here. Yes, now we'll find Marco's account, M. Chacalo. Here we click on his password, go. Then click on reading and then back to reading. Now you will see the flight check. Click there and here is the passage. Okay, so let's do it one more time. We click here, we go to Google Classroom and click here, Kids Login. Find Marco's account, his password, and go. You will see this. Click on reading, then back to reading, flight check, and there is the activity. Please let me know if there is any doubt. Thank you.